It was nice to see the sunshine this afternoon with a drying trend that took hold, and I think tonight's going to be dry as well, but it's definitely going to be on the warm and muggy side. We got temperatures right now generally in the lower 70s and upper 60s along the coastline. It's 71 degrees for Chuckey and Lewis. Dew points right around that ballpark as well, so the air mass is almost fully saturated in many cases. So while the visibility is pretty good right now, I would just be aware that some patchy fog will be possible in spots tonight, kind of like what we saw last night. So just be mindful of some variable visibility out there in spots tonight. Right now, we got a stalled frontal boundary that's in the process of slowly sagging southward. And as it does so, it's going to try to lift back north as a warm front. We got an area flow pressure, and with this warm front, we will see another chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms with mostly cloudy skies for your day tomorrow, with a chance for some severe storms, specifically for the midshore around Dorchester towards western Wycomico, through much of Worcester County, Somerset, and Accomack County, for the potential for maybe some storms to produce some gusty winds, maybe a little bit of hail. And there's also an isolated tornado threat, mainly west of the peninsula. The highest probability of an isolated tornado or two is in that brown shading, but still can't rule out a brief spin up somewhere within this green shading. This is specifically for western areas. It's more so dictated by where this warm front kind of sets up. I think generally this is going to stay west of the peninsula, though some instability could make it in here, some surface-based instability, also known as thunderstorm fuel. So we'll have to watch this, but overall the threat for severe storms, I think it's going to stay west because we're going to have easterly winds that's going to pump in some cooler, more stable air into the peninsula, overall limiting our severe weather threat, but still a non-zero chance for a stronger storm. You'll see how it kind of plays out on Futurecast. Tomorrow it's going to be mostly cloudy. It will be unsettled out there with an easterly wind. And then notice how Futurecast tries to develop some stronger storms west of the bay, but then they kind of just fall apart. So I think that's the likely scenario. But again, we'll watch potential for maybe a stronger storm to cross the bay side into the peninsula tomorrow. Then we start to dry things out for your day on Monday. I think there's going to be a lot of lingering low-level clouds through the morning hours with slow clearing and seeing some sunshine by the time we get to Monday afternoon. So tonight, it's going to be dry out there, but we will have mostly cloudy skies with patchy fog, temperatures between 64 and 69 degrees. For the day tomorrow, we're looking at a good marine forecast. Only once at around 5 to as much as 10 knots out there coming in out of the east. Temperatures at around 69 to 74 degrees just because of the anticipation of a lot of clouds and those easterly winds and the chance for those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Maybe one or two of those could be on the stronger side, especially for western areas. So we will keep an eye on that. Going into Monday, like I said, I think it's going to be a dry day, a high temperature of 78 degrees. We'll introduce another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms for a day on Tuesday, high temperature of 82 degrees. Some drier and warmer air will move in for the middle portion of this week. 85 on Wednesday with a lot of sunshine continuing into Friday as temperatures climb into the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. And then it does look like that dry streak ends by the time we get to Saturday. Another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms as high temperatures still remain a bit on that warmer side with a high temperature of 85 degrees.